Easy side hustles from home you can start today. Part 2. We were just getting started with Part 1. Today we're breaking down 5 more side hustles from home that you can start today. Let's jump in. Be honest, how much time do you spend on your phone every day? What if some of that scrolling paid you? Platforms like KashKick let you earn rewards for playing mobile games, trying new apps, and taking surveys. It's free to join, and once you hit the $10 minimum, you can cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or even donate it. No selling, no awkward pitches, just your phone and a few spare minutes. If you want the lowest barrier to entry possible, this is it. If you're organized, this is gold. Entrepreneurs need help with email management, scheduling and customer service, social media and customer service. You can work completely from home. Beginner VAs often charge $20 to $30 per hour. And the best part? You can set your own schedule. Now, this next one is seriously underrated and worth taking a closer look at. You create digital planners, budgeting sheets, wall art, or templates. Customers download them instantly. No shipping, no inventory, no post office runs. You can design using Canva, upload to Etsy, and promote on Pinterest. Digital products equal very nice margins. If you're strong in math, science, languages, or test prep, you can tutor students over Zoom. Set your own hourly rate. Choose your grade level. Work evenings or weekends. It's flexible and incredibly rewarding. Small businesses need help posting consistently. If you understand Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, you can offer monthly content packages. Create sample posts, reach out to local businesses, pitch your services. This works especially well if you have design skills. There has never been a better time to start. You don't need a degree, thousands of dollars, or 40 extra hours a week. You just need to start. Momentum beats perfection every time. And who knows, your little side hustle today could become something way bigger tomorrow. If you're looking for something you can start today, KashKick stands out as one of the strongest overall options. Try KashKick today and start earning from it.